We're glad to see you on our YouTube channel. Here we have a bunch of series of best online earning sources reliable all the time. You can be able to find the best online earning source according to your taste by watching our list. This will surely reduce your efforts of searching for the best place to cache your content. This platform provides you with an amazing collection of digital earning resources. Adorer of wealth and admirer of adventures always look forward to the best collection of easy and reliable online resources. On our YouTube channel, you'll be able to select the best one according to your taste. There are a lot of people who want fun and money in one thing. They want to convert this passion into their profession. So today we bring the perfect series for that kind of people. Now you can be able to search out that game which can enable you to earn a suitable amount with a huge amount of pleasure. This will serve as a guide for those who are in search of that app that can provide them with this facility of earning and adventure. So let's start for that series without any wait. On number 6, we have Second Life. This is such a virtual land for those who want to bring themselves into the world of imagination and thoughts. Here, thousands of people are connected with each other, and you can be able to set your profile here. Every member of this game is a resident of the game and is known as an avatar. Each avatar can be able to communicate with the other avatars, and you can be able to meet each other. Here you'll be able to make your own virtual property, and other avatars can be able to purchase them with the personal currency of Second Life known as Linden dollars. It can be replaced with the original currency, and you can redeem your amount in your PayPal account. So in this way, you can be able to earn PayPal money by this game. You can be able to make money by this game in the given manner, and this is such a very legit way for those who are looking for adventure and money simultaneously. On number 5, we have Miss Pulley. This is such a legit way of earning for the people, but it can't be used as a proper source of earning. People can make a minimum amount from this game, and in order to collect a huge number of units, you must have spent very massive time here, and you can be able to make moderate earning via this game. According to very careful observation, you can be able to make almost $50 per month. This is such a suitable amount as compared to nothing. In this game, you're supposed to make units by playing games and doing tasks, and in the reward, you'll get units that can be redeemed into your account as cash via PayPal. In this way, by simply playing the games on this platform, you can be able to make cash here. This can be run only on Android devices, and if you iPhone or iPad, then you're unlucky to avail of this chance. This is one drawback of this app, but this is not such a big deal. On number 4, we have World Winner. This is such a legit platform where you can show your gaming skills, and as a reward for it, you'll get a huge surprise in the form of cash. World Winner organizes the tournaments of games, and they play a huge cash reward to the winner. This organizes the championship of games under the supervision of International Gaming Authority, GSN. You can be able to make money via this methodology, and if you get any reward, then you'll be paid via PayPal. If you're skilled and have any gaming experience and you're brilliant in it, then you can participate in the gaming event organized by the World Winner. You can be able to make money via PayPal. On number 3, we have Cashkick. This is such a legit way of earning. You can be able to make money here, and by playing the game and solving different quizzes, you'll be able to make money by this app, and you'll be paid via PayPal. People are associated with this app, and those people who are an adorer of games can also join this game. They can also cash their skills. People associated with this app shows very positivity to this app. This is a sign of its originality. Here you're offered to solve short-term questions and surveys. By making the surveys, you'll be able to make a suitable amount via this app. People are making a handsome amount here, and many persons that I personally know are making money via this app. On number 2, we have HQ Trivia. This is such a legit app that has an educational background. This is such a type of video game where you're supposed to solve multiple choice questions, and their difficulty level rises as the next question comes, and in reward of those questions, you got points. You can be able to get cash, and you can redeem your amount in your PayPal account. By solving these educational-based questions and game, you can be able to make PayPal money. On number 1, we have Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a rewards and loyalty program located in El Segundo, California. Protege LLC runs that. A penny is worth 1 Swagbuck. You'll generally swap 100 Swagbucks for $1 in gift cards or cash, or a $25 PayPal deposit for 2,500 Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a real organization. About $400 million has been paid out to members. Swagbucks has helped some users win close to $12,000. Swagbucks is also a safe way for adolescents to raise some extra cash. This is such an amazing way of earning via PayPal. Be able to make money here by simply following the rules and by playing simple games. Swagbucks provides you with various opportunities like solving problems assigned by others and little game-like tasks. After solving them, you'll be able to get the reward in the form of points. You'll be able to convert these points into the cash amount in your account via the method of PayPal. This information will serve as a guide for you if you're looking for online earning sources. After that information, you'll surely be able to select the right platform for you, which is according to your taste, and it needs minimum efforts from your side. Now you'll be able to get the best choice for you, which can be most suitable to you, and this will surely set a plus point for you over those who are totally blind to this awareness. As per our information, you've got your desired information regarding the best online earning sources on the internet. Please subscribe, share, and like our YouTube channel to get more informative videos like this. In order to get notifications of our further informative videos, press the bell icon. And this way, you'll stay in connect with us.